Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mini Countryman. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter I4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Mini has less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, premium package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, power sunroof, and heated front seats. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.